Are you looking for how to fix Instagram story black screen problem or Instagram Reels black screen problem? In this video, I show you how to fix Instagram Reels black screen or Instagram story black screen problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for Instagram, update Instagram if available update. Wait for completing the install process. Now back to home screen, then go to settings, then go to apps or application management, then go to see all apps. Now find out Instagram app, tap on Instagram, tap on storage and cache, clear storage, delete, or tap on permission, allow all permission one by one. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, open Instagram app, login. Now I hope that this method fix Instagram Reels black screen problem or Instagram story black screen problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.